Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I've already done my face makeup and I'm going to be jumping right into the eye look. And for this look, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics 28 color matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be blending this pink shade into my crease from the outer corner to the inner corner. And I'm going to be smoking this out just a little bit. Going in with this pinky purple shade, we're going to be using this to darken up the look just a little bit more. And again, I'm placing this from the outer corner to the inner corner and making sure everything is blended out. For the crease, I'm going to be taking this bluish purple shade and I'm going to be using a pencil brush for the application of this shadow. And then I'm going to be going in with a little blending brush and I'm going to be using that to smoke it out just a little bit because I didn't want a harsh line there. Going in with this Nyx Glitter Primer, and I'm going to be using this J-Cat Beauty glitter today. All the names and products I'll be using today are going to be listed in the description box as always. For this look, I'm using all Morphe brushes because they are my absolute favorite and really affordable. So after I've packed on that glitter, I'm going to be going back in with that purple shade and sharpening that crease. A white eyeliner, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Paint. It's just a white eyeliner that I used for the crease. It's not my favorite just because the brush tip is very flimsy and it's really hard to get a precise line, so you can tell that I was struggling just a little bit, and the glitter definitely did not help me. Here I'm just applying a inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to be moving on to the lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking those pink shades at first. I'm taking both of them at the same time, and then I'm going to be going back with this purple shade and putting it close to the lash line as possible. And then I'm going to be applying my eyebrow highlights. For lashes, I'm taking the Salon Perfect 6. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite lashes and I'm having a brain fart right now. But yeah, I'm going to be using those lashes. And now that I've applied lashes, I'm going to be priming my lips with this primer oil by City Color. After that, I'm going to be lining with this Jordana lip liner in Coco Loco. I use this lip liner so much, I don't know how it hasn't run out yet. But I'm going to be going over the top of that with this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Baby Doll. After we've done that, then that completes the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. And yeah, this look would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.